click on the keys. Well, if I click on over here, I can click on move. Now he can move. That's good. And now I can put a speed limit to too much. And now you don't know the last one because it's north, south, and east, west. Get out of here. After you have gotten out, you just need to click ESC. Don't don't roast me in the comments that how do we get out. Okay, just click escape key, aka ESC. Okay, now if I go to change side, I can do forward speed multiplier max. I can do turning speed multiplier max. I can do forward acceleration multiplier max. Turning acceleration multiplied by max. Now this is the fastest thing you have ever seen. Now if I go on my dragon, I can program it the same way. When keyboard, but because the arrows keys are occupied, I'm going to choose WASD. Now I'm going to move quickly, quickly, and I'm going to plus. And now I'm going to do nothing because as you guys know, north, south, east, west. Now I need to click my escape key to get out, and I'll just put some trees. Oh no, guys, technical difficulties. Okay, wait, these are just sound effects that we are making. I'll just zoom out. There it is, and I'll just click on, and I'll just go a little in. Okay, time to find the bots. Here you go. Now if I click on this, if I go on tree, then I can click on the big tree. After that, I can click on it, and I can click on copy. After that, I can right click, paste, right click, paste, right click, paste, and right click, paste. Now we can add a whole factory. Now please don't be surprised. It's normal. We can add a whole factory. Like I said, we can also add.
We are not clearly sure what does it do. I mean, I'm not sure, but my brother here, who's a genius with computers, does know what he's doing.
Yeah, like you can also put a hut over here. Now if I just click on the start button, I can use WASD. Now, oh my god, my brother's so fast. Okay, my brother's just too fast. I can do loop the loops. Stop, bro, stop. You're malfunctioning. There he goes. Push him off. I should have put barriers. Run. Why did I upgrade my speed? Okay. Now we need to edit these two. Now to edit, you might know what is edit.
Guys, this is all for today, and goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.
Okay, I'm singing. Bye guys. See you in the next video.